Okay, so applying the secondary layer, which is a much thinner layer that complies with the thin layer of the table saw here. So we want to have everything flush. So I applied the Gorilla Glue on the side here and all around the edges. I'm going to bring the layer down and put it on. All right, so turn it over, put it down, and let it maneuver it. So I get it in place there. Okay. So I'm going to put some heavy books, just put some books on it, let it set for a few hours. And then, see that just so that it's flush on the surface. So I got 5 books. It kind of got weight to it. Just kind of add pressure on the glue till it dries. So in all the specific location where the glue is applied. And I just leave it there for, I guess, they say like 1 to 2 hours, but I'm gonna leave it there for 3 hours. Just make sure everything cures. And so this is Gorilla Glue that I've applied to it. So this is going to be expansion work surface for my mini table saw. I wasn't satisfied with the workspace that's on it. So I want a bigger surface. And so these are something that you can have done. If you have a mini saw, table saw, we do provide the expansion board for it, so you can order it. And that way you order the expansion board from us, we will have everything already put together. The layer that's necessary to make everything flush with the table saw surface. So, and then we'll box it and then ship it to you. So check out the page on the website where you can order the supply for something like this, or the product that we have available currently, which is the cup holder. Okay. Now with the mini table saw unit inserted into the expandable work surface, it's going to be important to make sure that you have a line from 0 on the cutting disc. And I have it set right at the 0. And you need to be able to draw a line straight across the board surface. Because when it comes to inserting a guide that you would slide your material along that guide, it has to be straight. So that's the whole purpose of this. And also when you want to measure how much you're cutting, you need to be able to go by that line that you put to the amount of the material that you're cutting. Otherwise, you really won't know how much of the material you're cutting if you don't have a sense of measurement, because you won't be able to use a measurement on the original mini saw table here, because now your expanded work area is out here. So you need to be able to measure how much you're cutting from the disc to a certain point that you're cutting out. And see, right now it's blank. So you have to be able to know what the measurement is going to be. So I think once you get the line straight, then you do another parallel line straight. That's going to be where you're going to slide your material on. Then you want to put the markers of the inches. Put the marker of the inches. You can probably run it right alongside the unit. You just put the marking of the inches away from the cutting disc. So that way you can know exactly how much you're cutting off at that measurement. Okay.